Shit.
I've seen the sunshine since I don't know where. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. Time keeps dragging on. That train keeps moving on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be good. Guns. Well, I shot a man in Reno
just to watch him die.
Every time I hear that whistle, hang my head and
cry. Holy shit. That's an example with Jimiller, dude. This is fucking crazy. We're dying right now. Death. Severe death.
I think it's spotlight for him. Oh!
It's a wet dog. I got something funny to tell you after this about Jimiller. Oh, fuck you! Are you kidding?
No, all day.
Will somebody kick that dog?
That's what tortures me.
It's going on YouTube, though.
Oh, yeah.
Add it. I know. I keep trying to get him to,
Donkey Engine with Jimiller Band. Watching history.
Train is mine. I'll probably move a little north further down the line. Far from Folsom Prison, it's where I want to stay. Then I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away.
This is crazy.
Dogs are going crazy.